What is up, people? This is Kamlesh, your sneaker guy, and guys, yes, today we are doing a very interesting video. We are doing a treasure hunt in Pune, a sneaker hunt in Pune, I'll say. And yes, it's going to be very interesting. I have two sneakers with me to give away today. I'll show you guys the sneakers as well. But yes, basically it is very easy. Like, I'll be at a random place anywhere in Pune, and I'll post a story on Instagram. Whoever sees the story first and whoever reaches me first gets the sneaker for free. So I hope this goes well. I hope people do arrive and get a pair, like someone who really follows my channel or something like that. I hope they get the pair. Here we go. So yes, we have two sneakers with us. One is from Puma. This is size 9. I have bought two sneakers basically. That is, one is UK 8, one is UK 9. This one is UK 9, UK 8 I have kept at home. I'll do that in the next video. But for now, this is UK 9 pair. This is a pair of Puma Smash, I believe. I don't remember exactly the name, but yes. So yes, this is the pair. This is an all black pair. I thought people might like it because it is all black pair. It is a versatile pair, and yes, it's a pretty nice pair. I personally like it. So yes, this is the one pair I have got. And second sneaker, I already had these and I was not using it, so I thought it might be useful for someone else. It is from Soul Store, and yes, it is not sponsored by Soul Store, neither from Puma. So this is the second pair, that is Superman Kalin pair. Just have a look. This is again a very nice pair. This is pretty interesting for all the Superman fans, and I feel someone might like it. And yes, this is not it. I'm going to do this kind of videos. I feel I want to do it every month, but I want to see how the response is. If today it goes well, I'll keep on doing it until and unless I can do it. So yes, I'm really excited for this, and I hope I can give some bigger sneakers, like some major banger sneakers, and I really can't afford anything bigger than that right now. So I am doing this, but I hope so in future I'll keep upgrading the sneakers, some Nike sneakers, some Adidas sneakers. I want to give that some good sneakers. I really want to give. I will upload the story. Right now it is 5:55 and I am going to upload the story at 6. I'll show you guys while uploading the story. So you guys can see it is almost 6 and I'm going to upload the story right now. The story is ready. Come here and find me. I am here at Cafe Good Luck. You guys know it. It's a very famous spot in Pune. So yes, spot number 1, and here we go. So yes, the story has been uploaded and I'm waiting for someone to arrive now. तुला काय वाटतं किती वेळात येईल कोणतरी?
होपफुली 10-15 मिनटं द्यायला पाहिजे. मॅक्सिमम 15 मिनिट्स आय थिंक सो, कारण की ऑलरेडी टाईम झाला आहे. टाकून
6:15 म्हणजे 15 मिनटं झाले व्हिडिओ.
हां, ऑब्वियसली. तर अजून 15 मिनिट्स, अजून 15 मिनिट्समध्ये यायला पाहिजे. 6:30, 6:35 मे बी.
तुला काय वाटतं किती वेळ?
मला टफ वाटतं थोडा.
येस, चल एक टाईम बोल. तुला वाटतं त्या टायमाला कोणतरी
35-40.
7 और 7च्या नंतर
6:16. मला असं वाटतंय 6:55 असं मला वाटतं. लेट्स सी काय होतं. नाव ऑफिशियली इट्स बीन 1 hour. वी हॅव बीन वेटिंग फॉर समवन. वी आर रियली टायर्ड नाव. I have received a lot of messages that people are coming, but I can't see anyone here. I guess it takes time, like, right, the traffic and all of that stuff. So yes, I can understand that. I hope someone arrives soon, and if not, I'll have to change the location or something like that. I don't know how this vlog is going to go, but yeah, we are still waiting for the first person to arrive. Okay, it's been 1.5 hours now that I have uploaded the story, and still here there is no one. I have got messages that they are coming, they are on the way, they have sent me the pictures and all of that, but it's been 1.5 hours that no one is here. I hope someone arrives because I am tired now. Just let's see how much more we have to wait. So let's see.
2 minutes later.
प्रथम.
Oh, hi. Congratulations, bro.
I had to convince my mom that it's true, my dad that it's true, and then I came.
Oh, thank you so much, bro. Thank you so much. Finally. What's your size, though?
UK 9, UK 10.
Okay, I have a pair in UK9.
Oh.
So this is your pair. I hope you like it. It's a plain basic black pair.
Oh,
But yeah,
damn. I
you
need
like it?
these ones.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay.
I love it.
Then that's it's fine. It's fine. Thank you very much. Thank you so much for coming. And
Can I take a photo?
Yeah, sure. Okay, so finally the first winner has arrived. This is
Yes.
Parth. And
Pratham.
Pratham, sorry. I'm
Yeah.
really sorry
Yeah,
for
yeah,
that. So he has got a pair. He is UK9 and he got the pair in UK9. And I'm just checking that he's subscribed and he's following my channel, all of that stuff. Okay. Okay, so he has subscribed and thank you so much. I hope you like the pair.
Yes, definitely.
Okay, cool. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Enjoy. Okay, so the first guy arrived, he got the pair, he was happy. I was happy that he was happy. And fortunately, it was his size. It was UK9 and he finally got the pair. And that was the Puma Smastic, I believe. I just forgot the name, guys, sorry. But yeah, he got the pair and I was really happy with that. And he was happy with the pair. He wanted to buy a black pair, he seems. He told me like something like that. He wanted to buy a black pair or something like that. And he finally got a black pair and he was saying me that all good stuff. So I was feeling happy inside. And yes, now I'm moving to the second location. I don't know if someone will arrive there or not. But I'm just going to try. So let's go for the second location. And the pair we are left with is the Soul Store pair, the Superman Calvin pair. And I hope someone gets that as well. Okay, so the second store is ready. And I'm here in Phoenix Market City. Everything is ready. So now let's go. I hope someone comes really soon. Now I am at H&M, but yeah, I'll roam around. I'll post some stories. Yeah.
I texted you about the sneakers, you remember?
When?
I think recently only. I asked you for the, I wanted some sneakers in Pune and I asked you for the shops basically to help me out.
Okay, the different sneakers.
Yeah,
where you can
yeah,
find-
for the treasure hunt, right?
Okay, yeah, I am.
Does it count if I find you like this?
Maybe. I was just uploading the story.
Okay, so does it count if I found you like this?
I'll upload the story now. After that, you can maybe. I'm here only roaming around. So if you find me after that, then it's cool.
Sure, lots of thanks.
Cool.
Nice meeting you.
Same here. Okay, I met a guy again, and he was asking me if it does really count if he finds me like this. I hope it counts. I don't know how to say no to him, but I just uploaded the story and he was here and he said that he knows about the giveaway. So I have uploaded the story. So if he finds me, then the sneaker is his. If he comes again. Okay, so there is a fun situation here. We are running away from a guy. We are not really running away, and I'm sorry if you are watching that, like the exact person is watching this video, but I'm not running from you. But I just feel it is I don't know, man. The story has not been uploaded yet. I have uploaded it, I've clicked it, but the internet glitched or something like that. It's going slow, I don't know why. अजून पण ना रे लवकर म्हणजे कुठं जाणार मी Okay, I guess he is around me. So yeah, I guess I don't know. I'll have to give him. So yeah. And he just bumped into me, and it was a coincidence that he knew the giveaway is going on. And yes, he just won this giveaway in like 2 minutes or something like that.
2 minutes into the round.
Yeah, 2 minutes into the round, and he is the winner. So he just got this pair. And actually, we are shooting it again because the mic glitched. I'm really sorry, but we had to do it. So yes, bro, it's
Thank you so much.
finally
Thank you
yours.
so much.
And thank you so much for following me, doing all the stuff. And I hope you are following me on Instagram and YouTube.
Definitely,
So yes,
yeah.
he is not a UK 8 guy. This pair is a UK 8. He is UK 10 or 12. You are 12. UK 12. Sorry, he is UK 12. He is not going to fit this, but I believe he'll give it to his friends, family, whoever he wants. So yes, he just won this, and it was really quick. I was not expecting that. So yeah, he just won it, and it's his luck. So yeah, congratulations. If you
you
want
so
to
much.
say something.
Yeah, definitely. Yeah, so first of all, shout out to the sneaker guy. I have been following his content for the past 2 years. He has done a lot for the Pune sneaker culture. I remember watching his videos on Converse, New Balances on Flipkarts and everything. So I'm really happy. I ran into him. I was watching his I was watching his giveaway on the stories, and I was like, oh man, I wish I could just go to FC Road right now and meet him. But again, big coincidence. I ran into him. I just got this pair. I'm really happy. And yeah, shout out to the sneaker guy.
Okay, this was crazy. This was very lucky of the second winner, because I'll tell you what happened. I was shooting. You guys saw that he bumped into me. He just told me that, like, for a second I thought he was not aware about the giveaway going on, the sneaker hunt going on, and he just told me that I hope you are here for the sneaker hunt, and I just said yes, because I was here for the sneaker hunt. And he was like, is it okay if I get it, because I know it? And I was like, after I upload the story, if you find me, the sneaker is yours, because that is the rule, right? After the story is uploaded, whoever finds me first gets the sneaker. So I was running away from him. I was trying to go away from him, but he was catching up, and I just uploaded the story. Then he found me and he was like, the story is uploaded, is it okay if I get it now? So I was like, yeah, cool man, because that's the rule and you got me first. So that was a coincidence. That is a fun situation, man. This was really fun. I was not expecting something like this to happen, but it was really fun. Okay, now the story aside, now I just want to tell you, I will definitely do this again. I want to do this again. I was really happy doing it this time. It was fun. You guys showed a lot of love. But Punekars, you have to share this video. Like, not only Punekars, I really want to do this in every city. Maybe if I travel to Mumbai, I'll do this. Hyderabad, Kerala, Chennai, Bangalore, Delhi, wherever I go, I want to do this. I really want to do this because this is really fun. So yes, I hope you guys like this video. If you liked it, do share it. Definitely share this video. And yes, it is what it is. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. See you next time in the next video. Peace.